really love cooking or enthusiastic about this? If yes, please keep watching this video till the end, because in this video we have got something for you which is really interesting and exciting. My name is Oni and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Oni Online. Yes, we were talking about this IFB 23 liter convection microwave oven, as you can see here in this box. I got this from Flipkart for rupees 8,400. But the MRP is quite high. The MRP is rupees 13,250. But during the Flipkart Big Billion Days, I got it for rupees 8,400. And if you have SBI credit or debit card, you are eligible to get 10% instant discount over and above rupees 8,400. So without any further delay, let's quickly unbox the device. As you can see guys, this is the box pack of this IFB 23 liter convection microwave oven. On the front side there is the IFB branding, as you can see, and here is the model number mentioned, that is 23SC3. There are some features highlight mentioned over here. If you want to read, you can always pause the video and read. On the top of the box there are also some features highlight mentioned over here, as you can see. In this side there are also some features highlights mentioned over here, and here is the physical dimension, if you can see, and here you can see the product details along with some technical information like power, capacity, weight, and finally the MRP. The MRP quoted on the box is rupees 13,250. Without any further delay, let's unbox the device quickly. So just let me know, quickly open up the seal, and I would say the packaging is really nice. So now let me just take out all the box contents and I'll be showing you what do we get inside the box. Let me just take out the microwave oven and I'll be showing you what do we get inside the box pack. As you can see guys, this is the microwave oven. For the timing, let's keep this aside and let's check what do we get apart from this microwave oven with this package. Apart from the main box, we get this, and I believe in this box there is a recipe book along with some utensils. So now quickly open this up and let's check what do we get inside this box. So yes, as you can see, this is the recipe book, and there are so many kind of recipes are there inside this book. So it's very good to get this kind of recipe book with the microwave oven itself. Apart from that recipe books, let's check what else is there inside the box. As I told you, there are some utensils and sets of cookery are there. These things are very good to get with a microwave oven. And yes, apart from all these things, Flipkart also gave me this thank you card with some FAQ and list of do's and don'ts, as you can see here. And if you can see the name and email ID, this is just to give the feedback about delivery and package. Inside the microwave oven itself, we found these two grills, as you can see here, and apart from that we also getting this plate. I think this is for grilling. We are also getting this turn plate. Yes, as you can see, we are also getting these turn plates along with this roller, and this has to be placed like this, as you can see here. Inside the microwave oven itself, we also found this owner's manual, as you can see, and it's always better to read the manual completely before start using the oven,
itself.
There are some seals, and let me actually just remove the seals so that we can start using this microwave oven. Yes, we have moved all these seals, and now it's the time to place the turn plate along with the roller inside the microwave oven. Yes, we are done with the initial setup. Now let me give you a physical overview of the device. As you can see, on the front side we have the microwave oven door with the IFB branding and the model number mentioned over here. On the right side we have the buttons for operating the microwave oven. As you can see, this microwave oven comes with grill and convection features, and here you can select the combination of microwave and grill or microwave and convection. And here you have the timer switches, and here you have some auto cook menu, as you can see, and here is the start, stop, reset and timer button, as you can see here. The body of the microwave oven is entirely made of metal and it feels really sturdy. And here you have the vents which allows air to flow, and it helps in cooling of the device. In this side also you have the vents for cooling. In the rear side you have nothing but the power cable. In the rear side also you are getting some vents. This is also given for the cooling purpose. Inside the microwave oven, here you have the plates from where microwave comes into the oven, and here you have the vents for grill. This side also you have the vents for grill, and here we have the turn plate along with this roller, as you can see here. And here you have the coil for convection. As you can see, this device comes with a 3 years of warranty on magnetron and cavity, and this microwave oven is having features like cleaning by steam and deodorize function. Now let's quickly power on the device and heat up some water. As you can see, while you power on the device you will get a beep, and here you have the display where you can see the timer and the other functionalities. So let me put in some water in a bowl, and that inside the oven, as you can see. And now let me quickly heat up this water with this microwave oven. I am just starting this. Yes, and as you can see, the oven has been started. Let's see the water how much heats up in 30 seconds. Yes, 30 seconds has been completed, so you are getting this beep. Now let's quickly open it and check. The water is heated up. As the volume of the water was quite high, so in 30 seconds it is moderately heated up. This was a quick unboxing and overview for this device. I will make a separate video to show you the detailed functionalities of this device. If you have any question, please do let me know through the YouTube comment section below, or you can ask me directly through Twitter. Signing off, this is Oni, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.